We have a ship here having 10,000 liters of fuel oil with a specific gravity of 0.92, heated at 15 degrees Celsius. The same fuel was heated from 15 degrees to 45 degrees. So nag-raise ng temperature. Now, for this exercise, we assume that the specific gravity decreases by 0.001 every 5 degrees Celsius increase in temperature. Because as we recall, an increase in temperature decreases the specific gravity of the fuel oil. Pag pinapainitan mo yung fuel oil, habang tumataas yung temperature ng fuel oil, bumababa yung specific gravity. So the question is, ano ngayon daw yung specific gravity of that fuel oil pag dumating sa 45 degrees? Now we have a given here, starting specific gravity 0.92, starting temperature is 15, specific gravity at 45 degrees, that is what we are looking for, and then there's a specific gravity decrease by 0.001 per 5 degrees Celsius. So ano daw uli? Yung SG pagdating niya sa 45 degrees temperature ng fuel oil na yon. The first step is to find the temperature increase. Okay? So we have here 15 degrees starting, right? And then we raise the temperature to 45 degrees. Ano difference nila ngayon? So 45 degrees, bawasan mo ng 15 degrees, you get 30 degrees. Step 2. Find how many 5 degrees Celsius increase. So kanina, nakita natin, we have a temperature increase of 30, let me write that again, 30 degrees, right? Divided by 5, we get 6. Saan ko nakuha yung 5? O, ayun siya, ayan. Saan ko nakuha yung 30? Kanina, sa step 1, nag-minus tayo, o nag-subtract tayo ng 45 sa 15 degrees, di ba? And that we get, the difference between them is 30. Yun yung sa step 1 kanina. Yung 30 na yan, ayan siya. And we get 6. Okay? We got 6. Step 3. Find the total specific gravity decrease. So how do we do that? We write 6 here, multiply it to 0.001. What do we get is 0.006. Okay, saan ko nakuha yung 6? Yung 6 na yan, nakuha ko kanina sa step 2. Right? O review nyo na lang ha. O yan, sa step 2 natin siya nakuha. Saan naman nakuha yung 0.001 na yan? Yung 0.001 na yan, nakuha natin siya dito. Ayan siya. O, yung circle ko ha. O ayan, ayan siya. Ayan. O ayan siya. So that's why we got 0.006. Step number 4. And this is the last step. We find the new specific gravity. Then we write 0.920, subtract it to 0.006, and what do you get? You get 0.914. So the answer would be, that's the right answer, specific gravity at 45 degrees Celsius will give you 0.914 specific gravity. So we need to remember, as the temperature rises, habang pinapainitan mo yung fuel oil, okay, tumataas yung temperature, di ba? Yung specific gravity of that same fuel oil, bumababa. Okay? O initially 0.920, ngayon 0.914 na siya.